Malacanang Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma brushed off a senator's allegation that the palace was behind the policy on the random inspection of Balikbayan boxes. Secretary Coloma said the allegation of Senator Nancy Binay has no concrete basis. He also stressed that the customs policy is aimed not at OFWs but at individuals who use the Balikbayan boxes to smuggle contraband into the country. Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino orders to prioritize the welfare of Filipino overseas workers amidst plan of random inspections of Balikbayan boxes, a measure of the Bureau of Customs in the fight against illegal drugs and smuggling in the country. Presidential Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma said the president directed to stop the implementation of spot checks after his meeting with Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima and Bureau of Customs Commissioner Bert Lina. The president said that OFW families view the Balikbayan box as an integral part of the family relationship to nurture loved ones at home and as a sign of their love and concern for their family members.
Ang kapakanan ng mga OFW at kanilang mga pamilya ang namayani sa pasya ng Pangulo. Sa kanyang pasya ay sinaalang-alang ni Pangulong Aquino ang kahalagahan ng Balikbayan box sapagkat ito ay bunga ng nyagi ng bawat OFW na patnubayan at itaguyod ang kabuhayan at magandang kinabukasan ng kanyang pamilya. Pinakinggan ang pagpapahayag ng saloobin ng mga boss sa hanay ng mga OFWs.
Coloma assures no politics involved in the decision nor any pressures for the coming 2016 elections. The planned random inspection drew complaints from the OFWs in the fear that their items inside Balikbayan box will not be protected. The president earlier ordered to use X-ray machines or CCTV if physical inspection is needed.
Linawin natin yung konteksto, no? Yung pagpapahayag ni Commissioner Lina nandoon sa aspeto na paano ba ginagampanan ng Bureau of Customs ang tungkulin nito. At batid naman natin na kasama sa normal na gawain ng Customs yung pagsusuri ng mga gamit na ipinapasok sa bansa at yung pagtitiyak na nagbabayad ng tamang buwis, no? Doon sa mga dutiable goods and yung mga ini-import na dinadala mula sa ibang bansa pinapasok sa Pilipinas. Kaya yan po ang konteksto. Huwag po nating wag sanang madidistort ito dahil yun lang naman ang konteksto. Kaya naman doon sa pagpapasya ng Pangulo ay sinaalang-alang niya yung ginagampanan ng Estado yung tungkulin hinggil dito.
Sir, one thing is clear, there's no politics behind po dun sa implementation ng
walang politika.
Coloma explained that in spite of ensuring the welfare of OFWs, government measures in the fight against illegal drugs and smuggling should not be compromised.
Tulin din ng pigilin ang pagsasamantala ng mga sangkot sa smuggling ng armas, droga at mamahaling artikulo na dapat ipagbayad ng tamang buwis. Kaya't ipinag-utos ng Pangulo ang 100% X-ray and K9 inspection na mga container vans at no cost to the sender or to the OFW.
The palace official reiterated that the executive recognizes OFW remittances as an integral part in Philippine economy.
Hindi lang po kritiko nagsasabi niyan, mismong Bangko Sentral, mismong pamahalaan ang kumikilala sa malaking ambag at kontribusyon ng ating mga manggagawang Pilipino na nagtatrabaho sa ibang bansa. At malaking sakripisyo po ang kanilang ginagawa, kaya kinikilala po natin ito sa kabuuan nito.
For the Rocky Ignacio.